Have you ever noticed how your taskbar starts to feel cluttered with too many icons? Which are the apps you don't even use anymore? And you are not alone, it happens with almost everyone after a while. And the good news is you can clean it up with just few clicks. In this quick video, I'll show you how to unpin any app or icon from your Windows 10 taskbar so things feel neat, tidy, or easier to find. Step 1 is to locate the icon. Look at your taskbar, this will be probably at the bottom of your screen. Find the app icon you want to remove. It could be something like Microsoft Edge, Store, or any other program. You just have to move your mouse over there and right click on it. You will see a little menu pop up. In the menu, you can click on Unpin from taskbar and the icon will disappear instantly, which is clean and simple. Repeat this for any other icon you don't want on your taskbar, and that's it. Now your taskbar is clutter free and only shows the app that you actually use and you want them. If this helped you, you can give this video a quick like and subscribe and press the bell icon for getting notified for more tech videos like that. And if you got any question or had any error, you can just drop them in the comments and I'll try to help you out. So thanks for watching and see you in the next one.